Hello friends, welcome back to the Dynamic Cast, one place for reviews, recipes, crafts and much more. Bosch has recently launched 3 new dishwasher model in their Series 6. The model numbers are 6ZCW42E, 6HVI00I, 6HVI01I. In today's video, we will do a quick review of these new models and see how they compare with each other and their previous generation dishwashers. Before we start the video, first things first, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please do so immediately and press the bell icon button so that you get the notification about our upcoming videos as soon as they are uploaded. Now, let's get started. Let us start with the SMS6ZCW42E. Let us start with a disclaimer that this is a brand new dishwasher model and yet to arrive in brand stores. While the basic features and functionalities remain same as previous generations like SMS46KI01I, we will look at some of the differences and enhanced features in this model. You can watch the basic features and functionalities in the I button above. It's a Series 6 freestanding style dishwasher available only in white color. On the Bosch India website, it is priced at ₹1,990 and we are not sure if there will be any discount by the dealer. However, this model appears to be a very costly dishwasher from Bosch. It comes with 14-place settings with multiple rack adjustments. It has 2 racks and 1 cutlery tray inside. The upper rack is height adjustable. The noise level is 44 decibel, which is quite less compared to earlier generation models, but 2 decibels higher than Siemens IQ500 series 14-place settings dishwasher. We could not verify the energy rating, but looking at the price, it must be A+++. Water consumption is on the lower side, ranging from 9.5 liter to 13.5 liters per wash cycle, and electrical consumption is 0.74 to 1.3 kilowatt hour per wash cycles depending upon the type of program you choose. It comes with 8 different programs like Intensive Kadai, which runs at 70 degrees temperature, Express at 60 degrees, Eco at 50 degrees, Auto at 45 to 65 degrees, Express at 45 degrees, Glass at 40 degrees, Silence at 50 degrees and Custom program. The Custom program will allow you to customize the temperature, wash and rinse cycle using the Home Connect mobile app, which we will look during the later part of video. It comes with 5 special options like Speed Perfect Plus. This option can reduce the running time by approximately 20 to 50% depending on the selected program. The change in the running time is indicated on the digital display. Note that this reduced running time will not impact the quality of the cleaning, however, it will increase the water and energy consumption. The second option is Extra Dry. An increased temperature during the final rinse and an extended drying phase ensures that even the plastic parts dry better. There is a slight increase in the energy consumption. The Machine Care. This option is used for cleaning your dishwasher from deposits, for example, remnants of food and limescale. Intensive Zone is used with mixed load containing tableware with different soiling levels, for example, soiled pots and pans in the bottom basket and normally soiled tableware in the upper basket. In this mode, the spray pressure in the bottom basket is increased and the maximum program temperature held longer. The Remote Start. With Remote Start, you can use the Home Connect app to start the appliances with your mobile device. Now, let us look at the basket configuration. The upper basket is adjustable Rackmatic 3-stage basket. You can adjust the height up and down by 5 cm. The upper basket has 2 cup cells and 2 flip tines to adjust your small utensils. The lower basket has 6 flip tines. The cutlery drawer comes in 1.1 configuration, which means that all sections are fixed. Now let us look at the key features and differentiators of this model. First and foremost, the control panel comes with touch panel and a digital display, unlike the 7-segment LED display in earlier models. The inner tub is made out of stainless steel, which gives extra strength and makes this appliance a very solid one. It comes with zeolith drying technology. The zeolith was first seen in the Siemens IQ series dishwasher and saves a lot of energy while drying the utensils. It comes with an additional top shower which helps in cleaning your utensils efficiently in the cutlery tray. It provides Wi-Fi connectivity and IoT enabled. With the Home Connect app, you can manage your dishwasher functions remotely using your mobile phone. It also integrates with Google, Alexa, IFTTT and smartwatches like Fitbit, iWatch and Android watches. One of the important things to note is that it is made and imported from Germany directly. To conclude, Bosch is trying to place this in a premium segment dishwasher in comparison with Siemens with zeolith drying technology, stainless steel inner tub, additional top shower, Wi-Fi connectivity and IoT enabled mobile app. However, a few things which could have been better is, even with this costly price, it comes with 44 decibel of noise and not 42 decibels. The cutlery tray, which could have been Vario drawer instead of 1.1 configuration. The Vario drawer configuration allows various adjustment in cutlery tray as well, so that you can increase the height of two corners up to 5 centimeters, which will help you to keep teacups or small bowls inside the cutlery tray. It also allows to adjust cutlery section, small or big forks and knives. Now let us look at the two other new models, which are SMS6HVI00i and SMS6HVI01i. We will just look at some of the new features only. For basic details, you can check the Bosch 13-place settings dishwasher video in I button above. These two models come in silver color and both are 14-place settings. The MRP on the Bosch India website are 61,490 for 00i and 60,990 for 01i. The noise level is 48 decibels, which is slightly on higher side and 2 decibels higher than the Series 4 13-place settings dishwasher SMS46KI01i, which comes with 46 decibels. Energy efficiency is A++. Water consumption is 9.5 to 13.5 liters. Electrical consumption is 0.85 to 1.5 kilowatt per wash cycle depending upon the program that you choose. Control panel comes with push button and 7-segment LED display. It comes with 6 different programs like Intensive Kadai at 70 degrees, Express Sparkle at 65 degrees, Auto at 45 to 65 degrees, Eco at 50 degrees, Pre-rinse and a custom program. It also comes with 5 special options like Intensive Zone, Extra Dry, Half Load, Remote Start and Speed Perfect Plus. The Speed Perfect Plus option is only available in 6HVI00i. Now let's look at the basket configuration. The upper basket is adjustable with Rackmatic 3-stage basket. You can adjust the height up and down by 5 centimeters. The upper basket has 2 cup cells and 2 flip tines to adjust your smaller utensils. The lower basket has 4 flip tines. Cutlery drawer once again is in 1.1 configuration, which means that all the sections are fixed and like the other costlier model which misses the Vario drawer configuration. Now let us look at the key differentiator and features of this model. The inner tub, as with the earlier 13-place settings dishwasher model, is made out of plastic material. It comes with heat exchanger technology for drying. It does not have the zeolith technology. It comes with an additional top shower which helps in cleaning your utensils efficiently in the cutlery tray. It provides Wi-Fi connectivity and it is IoT enabled. With the Home Connect app, you can manage your dishwasher functions remotely using the mobile app. It also integrates with Google, Alexa, IFTTT and smartwatches like Fitbit, iWatch and Android watches. The Bosch India website does not explicitly indicate the country of origin, and hence we assume that it will be made and imported from Turkey and not in Germany. Please share your views about this video in comment section. If you have any query, do write it in the comment section and we will try to answer the same. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our upcoming dishwasher videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon button to get the notification about the same.